Apple's first foldable iPhone, expected in late 2026, is generating tremendous excitement as it could redefine what an iPhone can be. Rumors suggest it will feature a book-style foldable design, opening up to a large 7.8-inch OLED display for tablet-like productivity while maintaining a smaller external screen for quick tasks when folded. Powered by Apple's next-generation silicon, likely the A19 Bionic or equivalent, it promises flagship-level performance, ultra-smooth multitasking, and efficient power management. Apple may replace Face ID with Touch ID integrated into the side button, and incorporate a reinforced titanium or mixed metal hinge to enhance durability and reduce display creasing over time. Photography is expected to be equally impressive, with multiple high-resolution lenses, including a main camera capable of professional-level shots and advanced computational photography for low-light and portrait modes. Battery life could be optimized with high-density cells to support the large foldable display, while iOS 20, or newer, may introduce new multitasking features tailored to the expanded screen. Pricing is expected to be at the premium end, $2,000 plus, positioning it as a true luxury foldable device. If these specs hold true, the foldable iPhone 2026 could combine Apple's signature design and ecosystem with a bold, innovative form factor, appealing to tech enthusiasts and early adopters alike.